Good evening everyone. This deserves a special video because we actually went glamping here in Thailand. Just wait for the view tomorrow morning. But first we're gonna have a nice little dinner here at this cute cafe that I'm gonna show you around. We are about 1,768 meters up in the air. So be ready for some breathtaking views. Let's go! Good morning everyone, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. We just woke up and this is amazing. Wow. Beautiful view up here in the mountains, and I'm just gonna quickly show you around before we're gonna have some breakfast later. So let's go. 1,768 meters above sea level. End of the road for this video, guys. We had an amazing stay. Next time we're gonna book a place, so it's gonna be even more fantastic. But at this moment we are 1,768 meters above sea level.